front of me is OPPO A6x, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. If you wanna manage location fast on your OPPO, here's how to do it. First of all, go into Tap menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine turned blue, which means that location is on. To turn it off, click on the same shortcut until it's white. If you have a bit more time though, you can always go into Settings, scroll to tap on Location section available here, and manage it thanks to this switcher next to Use Location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!